Hi guys, hope you're doing really well. I'm back again with another recipe. This time I'm making easy, cheesy keto melts. They're really satisfying, so please do watch this video till the end. To start off, you're going to need some mozzarella cheese. The measurements will be in description as always. To this, we're going to be adding some cream cheese, and then we are actually going to microwave this, and this is going to form the base of our pastry essentially. Once it's done microwaving, just mix it together. It is really hot, so don't use your hands at this point. And then to this, we're going to add in some coconut flour. And then once you add it, you can season it however you like. I'm just using garlic salt and some seasonings. You can add in whatever you like, and then you mix well. You can start off with the spoon, but eventually it does get to a temperature that's cold enough for you to use your hands. And you really should use your hands, because that way you're going to be able to incorporate it really well, and you're going to make a really pretty sturdy dough, I should say. That it'll remind you kind of like of pasta dough or like doughs that you make for pastries. It's really great. If you need to soften it, you can always microwave it for 10 more seconds and then start again. Once that's done, we're actually going to get something which is the cornerstone of keto baking. I am, of course, talking about parchment paper, because nothing sticks to parchment paper. And since this dough has cheese in it, it is quite sticky. So just put the dough on the parchment paper, then place another sheet on top of it, and then you are going to roll it out. Do not try rolling it out without parchment paper, because it is somewhat sticky. It will stick to your rolling pin. So just roll it out. You can make it as thin as you like. This really is just based on your preference. I like to just continue rolling it until it's a pretty, I would say like about like half an inch of thickness, or even thinner than that sometimes. But really, as I said, just try this and see what you like best. Once you are done rolling it out, you can then proceed to adding in your fillings. And for the fillings, I personally like to use some cheese. You can add in just simple meat if you like. And as you guys can tell, it's pretty rustic looking. Do not worry about that, because we're going to be using cheese. So everything will just blend and stick to itself and each other. So it'll be fine. But just cut it into segments, and then add in my personal fillings of choice are always mozzarella cheese, and I add in some luncheon meat as well. This is completely preferential. You can just add cheese if you like. And then we are going to just do all of them, and do not worry about the cheese peeking out from the sides. And then we're going to bake it in an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And then we're going to turn it midway, and they should look like this. And look at that. That is absolutely delicious. Please do wait for it to cool down, but you'll really enjoy this. Please do like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye-bye.